Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing some spring inspired nail art because in this house we are ready for it to warm up. To start off, I'm just going to apply a base coat. I'm going to be using Holo Pilly base. You can use whichever you prefer. Right, once your base coat is dry, I'm going in with a white. This is just LA Colors Enduring. We're going to be using a lot of pastel polishes. If you, I'll probably put it as the thumbnail. But we're using a lot of pastel colors in this manicure, so just doing a coat of white first will help them pop. Right, we're going to be using 5 pastel colors. Each nail will get its own color. The first one is sort of a pinkish orange called Happy Hour. The yellow is Showstopper. The green is from Broadway Nails. It doesn't have a name on it. I don't know what this one is called. The blue is from Color Club, and it is called Factory Girl. And the last one, the purple, is also from Color Club, called Holo Chic. Holo Chic. Okay, and I'm going to put starting with the purple on this nail and then going in the reverse order until the orange is on my thumb. Before we start any of this stamping, I'm going to protect around my nails with Queen's liquid latex. Once your liquid latex is on and dry, we can move on to the stamping. I'm using this Born Pretty plate number 28. We are using this image right here. For the polish that I will be using, I'm going to be using Holo One Coat Black. In my past experience, it makes a really good stamping polish because it's, you know, it's got that nice thick consistency that makes it the One Coat Black. The other materials I'll be using is my Queen scraping card. Sorry about that. And I've got just a random Maniology clear stamper. Once you stamp the image onto your nail, you can go ahead and just leave all of the latex on until after you're finished. But what I'm going to do is, as I finish a nail, I'm going to take the liquid latex off with my tweezers. And as usual, I'm just going to place this on here, scrape, pick up. Well, I wasn't very fast, was I? We're gonna try that again. And there you can see it. And so we're just going to, making sure that I get at least some of that flour onto my nail. I'm just going to stamp that on. And there you go. On each nail, I'm going to kind of twist the design so it's not the same thing on every single nail. And I just took my lint roller and cleaned off my stamper so we can move on to the next nail. And before we move on to our top coat, we are just going to do a little bit of cleanup around the edges where the design didn't quite stay on liquid latex. And then once we're finished with this, we will move on to top coat. I will be using Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco, but once again, you can use whichever you prefer. And there is the finished design. On my pointer finger and also my thumb, I was able to get 2 flowers. I could have on some of the other ones. I just didn't pick up enough of the flowers. But there is the finished design. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to also hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss a future video. If you would like, you can follow me on Instagram at NoWorriesNailArt. All the products that I used below will be, all of the products that I used in today's video will be listed down below, if I can find a link for them. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I upload on Wednesdays at 12 p.m. I hope to see you next week.